Hi there, friend. Today, we're going to hear one of the most beautiful prayers in the Bible. It's called Psalm 23, and it reminds us that God takes care of us like a kind shepherd. Let's listen with our hearts and feel His love. The Lord is my shepherd. He gives me everything I need. He lets me rest in green, soft grass and leads me beside quiet waters. He gives me new strength inside, and He helps me do what is right. Even if I walk through dark places, I won't be afraid because you, God, are with me. Your shepherd's staff and stick make me feel safe and protected. You prepare a nice meal for me, even when enemies are near. You pour your blessings over me, and my heart is full of joy. Your love and kindness will be with me every day of my life, and I will live in your house forever. Amen.
Join the fun. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.